Hi everyone, how's it going? Thanks for watching my channel. So today is a good day because I got my town car back. You can probably see I'm driving right in it right now. So and the weather's beautiful too right now, by the way. Look at that, it's beautiful out there. 54 degrees. It was supposed to go up to the 70s, maybe even mid 70s, but so far 54 degrees and I'm fine with that. It's dry, sun is out, sky looks pretty clear, lots of snow in the mountains. Okay, let's get back to topic. The town car here. What happened? You know what happened. I hit the deer, there was some damage, and the insurance tried to scam me a little bit there. That's how I feel. I know, maybe they're right. I don't think they are. The body shop made me an estimate, which is correct. Then the insurance shortened it. They shortened their labor, and they took the hey, look at that. They took the original headlight out and put an replacement in, a cheap replacement light in. I can't remember how they call that in the insurance language. Anyways, that's what they put on, and I asked about it, and they said, no, we'll still paint everything the way we should. They just shortened our labor. Insurances do that. And I asked about the headlight. They said, yeah, that will be a used headlight from a different town car or a cheaper aftermarket one. And I said, well, I know my town car only has 45,000 miles, and since they don't build it anymore, I'll probably get a headlight from an old vehicle from the junkyard that has 300,000 miles or something. I mean, that's not correct. On top of that, I already bought new headlights a couple years ago, so I would really like to have an original headlight, or at least a new one. They said, no, we'll see what we can do, but probably won't happen. A manager got back to me and said no insurance in the world would give you a new headlight for an old vehicle like that. The other guy who was supposed to get back to me never got back to me. He just ignored me. I guess that's his way to answer. And yes, that is an answer as well. If you just ignore your customers that have a lot of cars and pay a lot of insurance, and then you ignore their concerns or their questions. What happened? I picked the car up. Paint is great. This is not the easiest paint to match, I believe, but it matched pretty good. No problem at all there. Car looks dusty but clean. The headlight is a disaster. It's an old one. It looks really old. It has weird stuff inside, like little chunks of something. It is dull. It has micro cracks from the heat in it, and I'm gonna find a good spot to park, and we'll look at the car, how the damage got fixed, and of course at the headlight. And while I'm driving here, I already put a couple pictures up in the video. Well, I mean, I will put a couple pictures up in the video so you can see what I'm talking about, but we'll get out and look at the headlight together, and I'll show you what I see and what I mean. I mean, it really is a shame to get such a crappy old headlight. I at least wanted one that's clear and is in a good shape, or I would even accept an aftermarket light from somewhere, you know. But we'll get to that later. I sent the insurance the pictures of the light, told them you promised me a light that looks as good as the old one, just used or aftermarket, but this one has damage and it's not good. So we'll see if they get back to me. Hopefully they will. If not, I'm gonna call and I'll ask again and again until I get an answer. All right, enjoy the ride, and I'll try to find a spot and we'll look at that headlight. Here we are. I had some stuff happen today, so I didn't have as much time as I wanted. So I'm in my old spot here where I filmed the cars. Here we go. So let's look at the bumper first. And the sun is pretty bright, I can't really see much. Okay, as you can tell, the color matches just fine. And the little dots on it is the bugs. There were a lot of bugs out today when I was driving. Going around here. See, gold is always hard to match, because you can even tell here, this here and this here is like a plastic panel. Color seems a little bit different depending on the angle you look at. That's why the bumper is PVC too, isn't it? A little bit different than that, but not much. I think it's about the same as it was before. I mean, it looks good. The dent is gone too. So the dent was right here. So that's gone. There's already a bug. That looks good. Let's look at the light. I'm not sure if it shows, but can you see all the haze in here? Can you see all the stuff that's inside? Look at those little orange amber type. I don't know what it is. It's like little flakes of something laying in there. There's some scratches here. There's a screw in here. You see that? There's a screw laying in the frame here, in the fixture. It just does not look good. I'll add those pictures too that I took of him. They show it a little bit better. Here's my old one. What do you think? I mean, it looks a lot nicer and clearer, doesn't it? Look at the front, the lights on. Yeah, I can see the haze really well on that side, and I don't see it on this side. Not sure if you guys see it too. I think you will. Let me turn the lights off and we'll look at it again. There we go. Old one versus the new one right here. And it's a shame to call that a new one, because that's definitely an old light from an old vehicle that has about 200,000 miles. It's one from a junkyard, you know. That's just what it is. Yeah, not happy, and I'm telling you, this will not stay on. I either go buy myself a new one, or I'll have the insurance buy me one. The body shop orders it, and then I'll go pick it up. Or they'll give me some money, and with that money I'll buy me another one. I'd be okay if it was an aftermarket one that would be clear, but not this. Nope, not good. I'm glad that the town car is back on the road though. It was a lot of fun driving it. Really enjoyed it. This is a great car. I love it. There's a scratch here. It has to be addressed sometime. But for now, I'm just happy to have it on the road again. This is just dust here. Car needs to be washed, but since it's been repainted, the front, I don't want to wash it just yet. Okay, there's some dust. I think from when they polished it. Alright, the insurance did get back to me. They are filing that to claims, and they'll let me know what the decision is on my headlight. As for right now, I enjoy showing the town cars. I love it. I know you do too. And please do subscribe. Please like the video. It really helps me if you like them. Push the like button, thumbs up, and also if you subscribe. And have a good weekend. I'll talk to you soon.